So guys, welcome to my channel. So how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver? So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com, and then you can see this is search box. So click on this and then enter your model number of motherboard B650M D3HP AX, and then hit enter. Then click to see this is click on this. Then click on support. Select your operating system, which is Windows 10 11. So if you select any, because both operating system installations process same, select any Windows 10 and 11. Audio driver, then you can see this audio driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see like that. Then it is done. Just single click to open after downloaded, huh? And then just double click to launch for exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. So now this is installing, and it will close automatically, means this is installed. Then close it.